Welcome to the Android development tutorial for beginners series. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to start your first Android project from scratch. For that, you need to have two softwares installed on your system. One is Android Studio and the other is Java. So let us see how to install Android Studio from internet. For that, you have to go to developer.android.com. Then go to Android Studio page. There you can see the download link for Android Studio for your operating system. You can also choose other download options from this link. Here you can see the download link for Windows, Mac, Linux and Chrome OS. So you can select appropriate package from here and you can download the Android Studio package. You can click on the download Android Studio and accept the user agreement and click download. Yeah, this will start downloading the Android Studio package and you can follow the instructions to install this package to your system. And the second one is Java. I can search for Java download. You can download the Java development kit from the Oracle website. Go to the JDK download link. Here you can see different packages for Linux, Mac and Windows. You can select your package from this list and install to your system. I have already installed these two things in my system. So let us get started the Android Studio to begin with your Android programming. This is the welcome screen of Android Studio. Here you have to select the new project. From the left side menu, you have to select for which type of device you are going to create your first application. Either it is phone and tablet, Wear OS, Android TV or Android Automotive. So for now, let's go with the phone and tablet option. And the right hand side, there are a lot of activity templates available. We can call each page of our application as an activity. So the different templates available are basic activity, empty activity, full screen activity, Google Map activity, login activity, and there are many. So for this demo, let us go with the empty activity. Select the empty activity and click next. In this window, you have to give the basic information about your project. The application name, package name, location, language and the minimum SDK. So let's give the application name as my first app and the package name is com.spintech.myfirstapp. This is the name which will appear in the Play Store link once you have published your app to the Play Store. For example, let's go to play.google.com and go to apps. Here if you select any application, you can see the Facebook Lite link as com.facebook.lite. This is the package name of Facebook. Similarly, our package name is com.spintech.myfirstapp. Next, we have to select the location where we need to save our application and then need to select the language. We can develop Android applications either in Java or in Kotlin language. For now, let's go with Java. Next, we need to select the minimum SDK that our application supports. We can select either Jelly Bean, KitKat, Marshmallow, Oreo or the latest Android R. if you select the Android R, it will support only less than 1% of devices. That may not be good. And we can also select the older version, which will support 99.8% of devices. But the problem is, if you select older version, our application may not support many features and lot of APIs will be deprecated. So it's good to go with the Android 8.0 for now and finish. In the bottom you can see the progress. This may take a little bit time to complete the setup. If you are setting up the Android Studio for the first time, it may take even more time. We may need to wait until the setup finish. The setup is completed, so it's time to get started with your first Android application development. In the next video, I will be explaining the project structure, the Android Studio features and all. So if you like this video and would like to get notified on the next videos, please subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.